everyone, welcome back to a new video from me. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Today I am going to be doing a Look Fantastic haul with you. So I actually won this. So on Glossybox they were doing a competition and I won this behind me. Can you see? This one, the Glossybox Easter box with amazing goodies in there, which will be up on my channel. And I also won a £100 Look Fantastic voucher for me and my best friend. So she also won the egg and she also won the voucher as well. So I can't wait to see what she's got. She doesn't have YouTube, but I will definitely, when she tells me what she's got, I'll definitely share it with you guys in a vlog or something. So we're going to be doing a Look Fantastic haul that I have won. I was really excited for this because I feel like Look Fantastic, you can literally get whatever you want. There's literally so many brands on Look Fantastic. They have got so many good sales and so many good offers that I honestly I just put like at least £600 worth in my basket, and then I had to like remove stuff because you can just be there for ages. It's just such a good place to shop. So I picked things out that I wanted to try and also wanted to kind of restock on, but I am so happy and excited to show you guys these. So the first thing I got was my favourite brow product from Benefit. So I actually picked the Precisely My Brow Pencil Up. This one is in shade number 4. This one is the mini one because I feel like I could definitely get more for the voucher money if I went for minis, which I don't see a problem with. Like, this is still a very, very decent size. I just always worry about these. Every time I get something from, every time I get a Precisely My Brow, it always breaks and I'm very nervous to use it. But yeah, that's the perfect shade, definitely perfect shade. So I'm going to be very, very delicate, but if you've not tried the Precisely My Brow from Benefit, you really do need to try this one. It's really, really good at getting fine lines for your brows. I feel like I need to use it so I can show you guys. Like, it is really, really good at just getting the fine little lines, you see. If you really take time with this pencil, you can create such a nice brow. Can you see the difference? Like, this one hasn't been done as much, but yeah, if you really take the time, you can just draw in them lines and it just makes your brows look so much better. So that's the first thing I got from Look Fantastic. I will be linking everything down below for you guys to check out, and if you are interested in that. We then have something from Nars. I had to pick this up, you guys. I've seen this on so many people's videos and I've never owned anything from Nars, and I've always wanted to. So this is the, I think it's called, this is the Afterglow Cheek Palette. I am shaking. Like, I've never owned anything from Nars. Never even looked at Nars. I think I've looked at it in like shops before when I've been to Leeds and London, but I'm really, really excited for this one. So, oh my god, how pretty. Here it is. You can see my camera. But this is the palette. How amazing is that? So let's go ahead and open it. Wow, looks so nice. So this is the Afterglow Cheek Palette. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch very gently because I want to actually, oh my goodness, wow. I want to, this highlighter is unreal. I want to make some Instagram content as well, so I don't want to use too much of the products, you know. So we have got a full cheek palette there. Look at that highlight. Oh my god, at the bottom. Wow, the blushes are beautiful. So I will be doing a testing video on this palette. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss. Very, very excited for that one. I love how it's packaged really, really nicely as well. I think that's definitely the best thing because it's pretty delicate, that palette, to be honest. So that is probably one of the most expensive palettes I'm gonna own now. Like, that's such an amazing palette and I love Nars. Okay, next thing is I've really wanted to try out this brand, Sanctuary Spa. My mum uses it a lot for the bath, and then I started using some of the bath oil, I think it was, or bath bubbles, something like that, and shower gel. But I've seen that they've actually got skincare now, and this is the Melt Away Cleansing Oil. Now I love a Melt Away Cleansing Oil because I also love my cleansing balms when I've done my makeup, especially when I'm doing my Instagram reels where I'm constantly putting different makeup on. So I'm really excited to try this one out. So literally you just pump it, put it on your face, and as you are rubbing it in, your makeup will just melt away, which sounds amazing. We then have this again, which I'm really excited for. This is my favourite lip balm ever. This is the Too Faced Hangover Pillow Balm. You guys, this is the best lip balm ever. But it goes really quickly. Like for me, it goes so quick. But I did just get the mini one. So this is what it looks like, and it's just so nice and moisturising. It's unbelievably moisturising. Oh my god, it smells so good. So nice. You can literally just pop that on as a lip balm. It's a lip treatment. I'm really happy with that as well. So got that as well. We then have this. So I was looking, basically, now I'm a mum, I've got my little girl downstairs with me, and I don't have time to come up in the mornings to get ready. There's just not enough time to do that kind of thing anymore. So I've actually made like a little bit of a makeup bag. It's actually there. You can see it on the bed because I've just been away, and I make a little bag up where I've got my makeup that I use every single day, which if you want to see a video on that, like what my necessities are for every single day, let me know. But I always use bronzer for eyeshadow if I do eyeshadow. So I was thinking I want to get something that I've got like my everyday eyeshadow that I don't have to come upstairs and find a palette for. So I saw this. This is Revolution Pro Love Yourself Soft Pink, and it's got the most prettiest shades in here. Let me show you. And I think this was like £3 or £4, which is amazing. Look at them. Look how nice they are. So nice. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them. Not on that hand. Yeah, I like Revolution Pro's formula, actually. As you guys know, I do lots of reviews on Revolution. I heart Revolution because I do like their formula. But there are the swatches. I really like that top colour because it's the perfect everyday kind of colour. And then you've got them gorgeous shimmers there. I'm sorry about my phone. Very unprofessional. Let me just mute that. But yeah, they are the colours. How nice is that? And that was so affordable, and that is going to go in my everyday little makeup, so I can do that downstairs. We then have this, and I've forgotten what this is. Oh, yay. Okay, so I always have wanted to try this bronzer. It's the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. Never ever tried this brand. I'm really excited to try it. This is the Butter Bronzer, like I said. Sometimes I forget that I need to check makeup for gluten-free, like because I can't have gluten anymore because I suffer with celiac disease. But I never feel like I never think to check makeup. So this is what it looks like. It is a very popular bronzer that I've heard a lot about and seen a lot. So this is what the bronzer looks like there. Oh wow, that is so buttery. Can you see that? Honestly, that, I feel like that is going to look really nice. So I'm really excited. And then at the bottom, you've got this little brush. Personally, I'm not going to use this. This is not going to work for me, but I will definitely be using it with my normal brush. Really excited to try that. One thing in here that didn't arrive, which I'm confused about because everything else did. But basically, I got myself a dry shampoo for brunette hair because I feel like that's the best for my hair, and it's the Batiste one, but that hasn't come, so I'm not quite sure what's going on. I'll have to get in touch with them. But I then got this palette here from I got the I Heart Revolution Dr. Seuss Green Eggs and Ham palette. So I saw this release on Revolution's website, and I was like, I just wasn't feeling the colours because I don't like palettes that are like blue, red, and just like four colours of like blue, red, yellow and green. Like I feel like I couldn't do anything with that. But when I saw this one, I thought this one might be easier for me. Like this one might be, show you guys what it looks like. I'm actually waiting on my Simpsons palette to arrive. I've seen that Revolution have brought out a new Simpsons palette collection, because they've kind of like, they did one in, I think it was Halloween, yeah, the Treehouse of Horror collection, and I wasn't that keen. I didn't mind the small palettes, but I saw a lot of people saying that the big palettes weren't great, so hopefully the new release is better. But this is what the palette looks like. I had to get something because I just felt like I felt like I was missing out on it. So this is what it looks like. This is going to be another everyday palette for me because I love greens. You guys know that I like to wear greens, and that green there is beautiful. Look at that. So let me go ahead and swatch these shades for you. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, wow, wow. These are nice. Okay, I'm really happy I got this palette now. I feel like I was definitely going to miss out there. Okay, so if you can see there, they are the colours. Ignore the bronzer on. Really nice. Cooler kind of toned palette, so I'm really impressed with that. So you guys, that is everything that I got from Look Fantastic other than the dry shampoo. As you can probably tell, £100 sounds a lot, but when you put things in the basket, like these things are quite pricey. Obviously this palette is pretty pricey. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know down below. I need to now put this box somewhere. I will be filming reviews on everything that I've got. I will also be sharing it in vlogs. I'll also be doing Instagram reels on it and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know down below what your favourite product was, and let me know how excited you are for me to try that Nars palette, because I'm buzzing. Like, I feel like I need to film that right now. Maybe I should, because Liam's got Olivia all day, so maybe I should just get it done. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you are new here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye friends.